In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a shadow to an image in Canva. So first thing you want to do is select the image that you want to add the shadow to. In this case, I want to remove the background. Just resize it a little bit. And then what you need to do is press this edit button. Go down to shadows. And you have all different sorts of shadows that you can select from. I usually pick a drop shadow. And then you have a couple of different options that you can change as well. So usually I begin by increasing the intensity a little bit. And then you can play around with the distance, which adjusts how far away it is from the picture. The angle will just rotate it around so you can pick which direction the light source is coming from, essentially. And then the blur amount will adjust how blurred it is, basically. And if you want to, you can change the color of the shadow. And that's pretty much all there is to it. I've created another video on how to add a shadow to text, so check that one out. It's a slightly different process.